Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If your eyes getting tired from the bright screen, dark mode might help you. I will show you in this video how to turn it on your Windows 10 or 11. First of all, just click on this Windows or Start button. Now search here Settings, or you can click on there Settings. Now you can see there Personalization. Just click on this. It will take you in this page, and in the left panel you can see a tab Colors. Click on this. After clicking on Colors, you can see this page, and from here you can select for the Windows mode. It's dark. It will not going to dark all of your windows. If I show you, this is for the Windows mode and this is dark for the Windows mode. And if you click this one, choose your default app mode on the dark, you can see it's enable the dark mode. So this is how you can select the dark mode in your Windows 10 or 11. If you think this video is helped you, please like the video and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video.